Yo, hey guys, it's your boy the Cool Albino. Welcome back to another Alex Lasso Fitness Friday video. So what I got for you today is 3 bicep workouts, 1 tricep workout. Stay tuned, because it's gonna be a great one. I want you to pay attention to what I do because I know it's gonna help you. Before I do that, you know what to do, guys. Give this video a like so you can help us boost the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe at the right bottom of the video and turn on the post notifications. You do that, I would truly appreciate it, guys. You help us grow the channel. Great, so let's start with the workout. First, we're gonna start with 3 bicep upper body workouts. And as we go through each workout, I'm gonna show you the transitions that we make, because it's gonna be one whole set, one whole circuit of 3 workouts. So those 3 exercises and workouts that we do consist of one whole entire set. We're gonna do 4 of those. The workout consists of 4 of those, but for the video we'll only do 1. To the bars, we're doing biceps. Pull-ups, 10. Remember to go all the way up. The bar gotta touch your chest, guys, for it to be a whole pull-up. Can't be going halfway. Okay, so after you do those 3 workouts and you do that circuit of biceps and upper body, we're gonna transition 1 set of 10.